Create stunning websites with Sitejet and AI-enhanced features. In today's digital world, having a professional and engaging website is crucial. Sitejet revolutionizes web design with its all-in-one platform, empowering businesses to build beautiful, functional websites with ease. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a design professional, Sitejet simplifies the process and speeds up project delivery. With Sitejet, you can create websites that are fully customizable and responsive, ensuring a seamless user experience across all devices. The intuitive drag-and-drop editor means you don't need to be a coding expert to create a stunning website. But what truly sets Sitejet apart is its AI-powered features that enhance both design and efficiency. AI-powered design assistance. Sitejet's AI tools streamline your workflow, offering smart suggestions for layouts, colors, and content placement. The AI system analyzes your site's goals and optimizes design elements to create visually compelling websites that are also conversion-focused. Whether you're building a portfolio, a corporate site, or an e-commerce store, the AI helps you make smart design decisions that elevate your brand. Faster project turnaround. Sitejet's integrated project management tools allow you to collaborate with clients and teams in real time, ensuring faster revisions, approvals, and delivery. Its automation features handle repetitive tasks like client communications and content updates, freeing up more time for you to focus on creativity and strategy. Seamless hosting and support. Sitejet offers reliable hosting and robust customer support, ensuring your websites are always online and running smoothly. Plus, Sitejet's platform is optimized for performance, providing fast loading times and excellent security. Ready to take your web design to the next level? The best part is that it's included at no extra cost with all RSH Web Services hosting accounts. Experience the future of website creation with Sitejet's innovative AI features. Create faster, smarter, and more impressive websites today.